Hello everyone! This is me again, Mrs. Kim Blake. And of course, my husband Corey. Welcome to my vlog. This is my year 3. Hi guys! I found a new hobby. Before it's coloring, now it's stickers. This is a sticker book. This is very satisfying. It says landscaping sticker book. All you have to do is, there's the sticker already here. There. So many. And there's a number at the bottom on which you can put do the sticker. So, it comes with a manual. This is the number 2. And because I'm done with the number 1. I tried first the number 1. This is the landscape. And the book is just empty. So you have to put all the stickers. All you have to do is put it on the nice way, the right way. So I did the first one. I tried it on, and it's nice. It's satisfying. You just need tweezers. It comes with tweezers, and it's 10 what do you call that, landscapes. So we're gonna do the second one. The second one is this. This is empty, and this is the manual. It says 1. So now we're gonna do number 2. So number 2 is this one. There. So first, we're gonna get the stickers. You'll know which stickers because it says here which is yeah. So I'm gonna do sticker thing. I cut the stickers so it's gonna be easy for me to flip the pages. So this is the sticker for number 2. And then this is the landscape. See, there's so many pa. But guys, I'm so proud of this one. I use this tweezers to put them in and then scrape it like that. And it's hard to remove. Once you stick it, it's hard to remove. So, let's do number 2. Ding! Let's put this here. Maybe here at the side. Sorry. And then, we're gonna put the stickers. It's gonna be hard because you have to know first which one goes first. So for this one, oh no, oh no. Oh no, yeah. I know now which one. Let's do this. This one goes first. So next time I'm gonna do live stream for this one. Because it's gonna be hard kasi if you don't have someone to talk to, and it's gonna be boring. There, and then next one is this one. Let's go first with the backgrounds. So this is like a new hobby because it's satisfying. So guys, I need to focus. So bear with me. Okay. Next one. This one, the stones. So I think you can you can do this whenever you're bored or whatever. Because for me, it's satisfying. Pwede na, pwede na. Don't be mad guys, I just started lang today. I ordered this on the app, on our app here in the Philippines. It's called Shopee. Because I seen people who do this, like they do this on live stream. So maybe next time I'll do this too on live stream. Because it seems satisfying. It's just a little hard lang whenever you're gonna get the stickers. Doing lang exactly what this one says, huh? So now we do the this one first. I think it's like this because of the edge. Sometimes you just need to think about this one too. There, because of this edge. There, and then the pathway. Oh, this is a long pathway. So I think the pathway is like this because of the sticker edges. Once you get a mistake, you can just scratch or remove the stickers too, but it will be a little hard because the stickers is really super sticky. See, it goes to that edge. But I'm just getting started lang, so don't be mad at me. So since I have my nails, I can easily scratch this. And don't worry guys, it's still ano naman din. It's still sticky even if you remove this. You don't put it at the edge, like at the very edge. Just a little lang at the edge. There. There. See, isn't it satisfying for people with OCD? Because it's satisfying kasi. Sorry. The camera keeps moving pala. Sorry. So now we can put the little closer. There. I can't because I need to put the other things first before I can put this one. So we have to bring it back. Here. Have to put the couch, the things here, over here. It says. So let's do this. I think we should start again on the back side. What's missing here? Okay, sorry, I have ano kasi runny nose. Let me put the unicorns. No. And the other happy unicorn. Oh, not unicorn, pony. But it's colorful, so I think it's a unicorn. Oh no. Oh no. I have two mistakes already. I have to put first the background flower pot. This one. There. And then the other one. It says tilted. So I'm gonna tilt this a little. It says here tilt. So ito tilted. Okay, and then now the background. Okay, one by one. Put this one first. Yeah. Nice! Guys, it's so nice. Now, the flowers. I don't know which part is this one. But there's the thing, the white thing. So I think we'll put first here. And then the two chairs. Okay. And then okay. Now this plant box. Let's put this first. There. No, this one goes to the back, so it doesn't matter. Because later there will be some of the things there. So now I'm sure this one goes here because it's the only one left for this. So now we can put the other things in front. See, it doesn't matter. So now the couch. The long couch. First, no, not the long couch, but the the box first. This one. Here are the couches. Polgy! My dog is here. Polgy's here. And then the other table. Next time, guys, I'm gonna do this on live. So if you wanna see me do this, I'm gonna do this on live. It's gonna be much more satisfying. Now the fountain, the font. Oh. Only have few left. There, we finished the first sticker. Now we're gonna do the last one. Last piece. So guys, if you want to watch me do this again because it's satisfying, you can watch my live stream next time. There. Done na with my this. This is the original picture. This is my output. So cute. So this is number 2. Next time on live stream, I'm gonna do number 3. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you on live stream.